Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about Samsung's brand new Galaxy A17 5G, a budget-friendly smartphone that's packed with features you don't usually see in this price range. First up, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A17 5G comes with a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with full HD plus resolution and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. For this segment, it's one of the brightest and most color accurate screens you can get. Now, moving over to the cameras, this is where Samsung really impressed. On the back, you are getting a 50 megapixels main sensor with OIS, which means sharper photos and less blur, especially in low light. You'll also find a 2 megapixel depth sensor to help with portrait shots, and on the front, a 13 megapixel selfie camera that's more than enough for video calls and social media. Under the hood, the A17 5G is powered by the Exynos 1330 chipset paired with 66 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which can expand further using micro SD. Performance-wise, it handles everyday apps, multitasking, and even light gaming without much issue. Battery life is another strong point here. You are getting a massive 5000 mAh battery, and with this Samsung's optimization plus with AMOLED screen, and this phone easily lasts more than a full day on a single charge. It also supports 25-watt fast charging. And here's something really important: software support. Samsung is promising 4 major Android updates and 6 years of security patches for this phone. That means you will running the latest Android versions will into the future, which is rare for a budget device. So, to sum it up, a vibrant AMOLED display, a solid 50 megapixel OIS camera, a reliable chipset, big battery life, and long-term updates all make the Galaxy A17 5G one of the biggest affordable 5G smartphones right now. What do you guys think? Would you pick this up as your next phone? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.